he was friends with Phil Carter, and through him,
They
we
played
tried
basketball.
to recruit Phil Carter. And you remember, the only reason we didn't break that barrier right away is because Phil himself decided that there would be real violence involved in that. It was bad enough that he says we're doing Jews, but he's what?
There was a kid by the name of Alphonse. I don't know his last name, and he wanted to join, black kid. And I told him to bring one of his buddies with him so he could be comfortable, and he'll be in. There's no problem. But he couldn't get anybody to go with him. Not related to what you're saying.
I never heard that story.
Yeah, Alphonse something. Because they heard we were starting it, and they had nowhere to go. Black guys. We were integrated. We didn't give a damn. Bring them on.
But we wanted to take Phil, and
Absolutely.
then Phil started Kappa Alpha Psi. Kappa Alpha Psi. Yeah.
Cap Alpha Psi.
This still doesn't tell me how I ended up.
I will take, and then I'll
It's your penance.
One quick story. Went besides Jack Hill, and there's a whole chapter that we could write just on the infamous Jack Hill. Who knows? We don't know.
You talk about this.